What if you could start making money today, without any experience, without special skills, and without spending a single dollar? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. Right now, thousands of beginners are earning online by doing simple tasks that anyone can learn in hours, not months. The truth is, you don't need to be talented or highly skilled to start. You just need to be willing to take action. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best side hustles you can start with zero skills. These are beginner-friendly, realistic, and proven ways to make money, even if you're starting from scratch. Starting a side hustle can feel intimidating, especially if you think you don't have any skills. But the truth is, most successful people didn't start with skills. They built them along the way. The biggest mistake beginners make is waiting until they feel ready. In this video, I'll show you the best side hustles you can start right now with little to no experience. These ideas are simple, practical, and designed for beginners who want to earn their first income quickly. We'll focus on opportunities that require minimal learning, use free tools, and can be started immediately. You don't need a degree, expensive software, or special talent. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. Once you start, you'll naturally improve and unlock better opportunities. If you're serious about making extra income and changing your financial situation, this guide will give you a clear and actionable starting point.
Welcome to the Wealth Blueprint.
Before you start any side hustle, you need to understand a simple truth. You don't actually need skills to begin. You need willingness to learn and take action. Most so-called no-skill hustles are simply tasks that require basic effort, consistency, and a little guidance. These hustles usually involve doing simple work that saves time for others. Things like posting content, organizing data, replying to messages, or doing basic online tasks may seem small, but businesses are willing to pay for them. Why? Because time is valuable, and if you can save someone time, you can earn money. Another important point is that you don't need to be perfect. Many beginners delay starting because they think they need to master something first. In reality, you just need to be good enough to deliver a result. You improve as you go. Also, focus on one side hustle at a time. Trying multiple things at once leads to confusion and burnout. Pick one simple method, stick with it, and give it time to work. Consistency is what separates those who earn from those who quit. Even if the income starts small, it builds over time. Remember, every expert you see today once started with zero skills. The difference is, they didn't wait. They started, learned, and improved along the way.
Now, let's talk about real beginner-friendly side hustles you can start immediately, even with zero experience. The goal here is simplicity. You want something easy to understand, easy to start, and quick to generate your first income. One of the easiest options is data entry or simple online tasks. Many businesses need help organizing information, updating spreadsheets, or managing basic records. It's repetitive work, but it's perfect for beginners. Another great option is social media assistance. Small businesses often need help posting content, replying to comments, or scheduling posts. You don't need advanced skills, just basic understanding and consistency. You can also try content repurposing, like turning long videos into short clips or rewriting posts. This is in high demand and easy to learn quickly. Selling simple services like typing, translation, or basic research tasks is another entry point. These require minimal skill but still provide value. If you prefer something creative, consider print on demand or simple design using free tools like Canva. You don't need to be a professional designer to start. The key is to pick one idea and take action immediately. Don't overthink it. Your first hustle doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to get you started and earning. Starting a side hustle becomes much easier when you use the right tools. And the best part is, many of them are completely free. You don't need expensive software or paid subscriptions to begin. You just need to know where to look. For finding work, freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are great starting points. You can create a profile, list simple services, and connect with clients from around the world. These platforms handle payments, making it safe and beginner-friendly. For creating content or designs, tools like Canva allow you to make thumbnails, social media posts, and simple graphics without any design experience. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners.
If you're working with videos, free editing apps like CapCut can help you create and edit content quickly. For writing or organizing tasks, Google Docs and Google Sheets are powerful and completely free. Communication tools like Gmail or Zoom help you stay connected with clients professionally. Everything you need to start is already available online at no cost. The key is not to get overwhelmed by too many tools. Start with the basics, learn how to use them properly, and improve as you go. With the right tools and platforms, you remove barriers and make it much easier to take action and start earning immediately.
Now the focus is simple. Earn your first money as quickly as possible. Not a lot, just your first $5, $10, or $20. That first earning is important because it proves that this actually works. Step 1. Choose one simple service. Don't try to do everything. Pick something easy like data entry, basic design, or social media posting. Keep it simple and clear. Step 2. Create a basic offer. Describe what you can do in a simple way. For example, I will create 5 social media posts, or I will edit short videos. You don't need a perfect profile, just something clear and honest. Step 3. Take action daily. Apply for jobs, send messages, or post your service consistently. Most beginners quit too early because they don't get instant results. This is where consistency matters most. Step 4. Price low in the beginning. Your goal is not profit, it's getting your first client and building trust. Once you get reviews or feedback, you can increase your price later. Step 5. Deliver your work properly and communicate well. Even simple work done well can lead to repeat clients. That's how you go from zero to your first earning and build momentum from there. Once you've earned your first money, the next step is growth. This is where most beginners either level up or stay stuck. The difference comes down to how you improve and scale your efforts. First, focus on increasing your value. Learn from every task you complete. Improve your quality, speed, and communication. Even small improvements can help you charge more over time. Second, raise your prices gradually. Once you have a few successful jobs or positive feedback, don't stay at beginner rates. Higher pricing not only increases your income, but also attracts better clients. Third, become more efficient. Use templates, shortcuts, and simple systems to complete work faster without losing quality. This allows you to handle more clients in less time. Fourth, consider specializing. Instead of doing everything, focus on one area and get really good at it. Specialists often earn more than generalists because they provide deeper value. Finally, think about scaling beyond yourself. You can outsource smaller tasks or build a small team, allowing you to take on more work without doing everything alone. Growth doesn't require perfection, it requires consistency and smart decisions. If you keep improving and scaling step by step, your small side hustle can turn into a serious income source faster than you expect. Starting a side hustle with no skills is not only possible, it's one of the smartest ways to begin your journey toward financial freedom. You've seen the process. Understand the basics, choose simple ideas, use free tools, earn your first money, and then grow step by step. The most important part is taking action. You don't need to be perfect, and you don't need to know everything. Skills come with experience, and confidence comes from doing. Most people stay stuck because they keep waiting for the right time. But the truth is, the best time is now. Even small efforts can lead to real results if you stay consistent. Start with one simple hustle. Focus on learning and improving, and keep moving forward. Over time, what starts as a small side income can turn into something much bigger, giving you more control, more opportunities, and a stronger financial future.